Welcome to Moodbit. Today, I'll introduce you to Moodbit's remarkable benefits in your meetings. With Moodbit, your team's efficiency, collaboration, and productivity will increase. Let's get into the great advantages of Moodbit. First, set up Moodbit Copilot for meetings. Choose Microsoft Teams integration or the Chrome extension for Google Meet and Zoom calls. For the Chrome extension, open the Chrome Web Store, search Moodbit, and add it. Easy integration, full functionality. Once set up, sign in and start a call. The Moodbit extension appears, ready to assist. Talk naturally, it transcribes your call. Later, you can save, share, and download the text. No worries, none of this data is shared with us, everything stays in your browser. Moodbit takes tasks further. After meetings, tasks are clear, everyone knows their to-do list, enhancing productivity over 2 times. But there's more. Moodbit's Smart Summary is quick and useful. Share with your team and absentees. Just invite Moodbit to your calls and experience the difference yourself.